Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna, and today I'm doing a review and a tutorial into the new Pur Cosmetics X RawBeautyKristi collab. So if you want to see reviews and swatches of this new palette, then keep on watching. All my socials are listed down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Check out the timestamps down below if you want to just skip ahead to the tutorial or the swatches or my final thoughts. You can do that really easily on the time bar. There is a giveaway in this video, but it is hidden somewhere in here, so you have to watch the whole thing because I'm not timestamping that stuff. I have two brand new palettes to give away. So on the day of the launch, I was in line for like 8 hours and all that kind of stuff. I was there since like 11:30 in the morning. And whatever, when they finally did that queue thing where you were waiting in line to access the site, I was 2,500. I was like 2,500th in line. And on Twitter, people were like, I'm 10,000th in line. And I was like, wow, I guess I'm a lot ahead of other people, but I had been there forever. Like I had gone and taken a nap and then came back to my computer and it was still the same. So anyways, I knew I wanted to do a giveaway because I'm at over 200 subscribers, which is fantastic. And the details for all that are really super simple, but you gotta watch the video to find that out. So make sure to watch the whole thing. Now, I only have the palette because I'm not big on false lashes, so I didn't purchase those. And so I'm going to transition right now to me without eye makeup, and I'm going to kind of talk about it a little bit, show the tutorial, and I'm also going to show the swatches for this palette. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I have the palette right here. I haven't even opened it or anything because I filmed these parts first, and then I do the intro and everything after I've done my eyes. So this is it here. It's a really beautiful packaging. And I believe Kristi did these, the drawings of everything you see on here. And of course, all the names of the pans are things that, she says or that she's like really into. So I'm so excited to get into this, but also at the same time, I've seen quite a few reviews and it's really pigmented. So I don't want to have like stains of swatches on my arm when I do the swatches for you guys after, but I also don't want to stain my eyes, but we'll see how it goes. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, please recycle, and it's only good for 6 months. That's really interesting. It's a pressed pigment palette, so yes, this is more on the advanced side. I am wearing clothes, by the way, in case anyone's like, what's happening there? It's just a little romper. I have my nephew's birthday today, so we're going to the cottage for that. And I know there's a colorful side to this, but I probably will stay to the neutral side, but I'll probably use this in another video anyways. So there we go again, some of the drawings there, and it's on the back. This is a double-sided palette, so let's go here. Oh, the colorful side came out first. Okay, hold that right up to you guys there. I've been hearing such great things about that Cafe Disco. Oh, that is really nice. And I don't even think I have something from Pur Cosmetics, or do I? That festival palette from that boxing charm, I think, but I haven't even used it. And then this is the other side. This is it right there. Yeah, that's more my jam. That will match me here. But I might go into Cafe Disco on the other side. So I will insert the swatches right here so we can see how they're performing in natural light on my arm that has a bit of a tan, and I do double speed the swatches just to save time.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
Okay, so what do I want to do? I'm looking at the colorful side first here. I don't think I want to dip into anything there, but I do probably want to go into Cafe Disco. It's a bit more on the icy side. Could do that more on the inner corner. Golden Ticket's really nice. I'm definitely going to stay in this side today. And again, first time using Pur, and I'm using my new Sigma brushes. So if you haven't seen that video, then check it out right up here. And as always, I'm gonna have the palette up next to me. So you're gonna see exactly which pan I'm going into, what I'm doing with it, and which brush that I'm using.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't.
Okay, so this is the final look I'll put together. I'm not gonna lie, I had some issues with some of the shadows. Now, I'm probably like 100% I'm sure it's me and just not used to using like a pressed pigment palette. Usually I'm using like eyeshadows and the formulation is different. These really pack a punch. So if you are getting this, I would really recommend I gotta work around with it. I was able to get it to work, but I was having some issues, and I'm gonna come closer and maybe you'll see. But just like right here, do you see how that's like a line of like darkness there? I don't know what that is or how that got there. I thought maybe I had like a hair to like pluck or something in my eyebrow, but I don't think that's what it is. And I couldn't get that to blend. And I was trying to make it a little bit deeper. And I don't know, I was having a little bit of difficulty, but like I said, I have new brushes and I'm dealing with a different formulation palette. So that could just be me. And the shimmer was really great. It's really intense. That golden ticket that I used here, like I'm looking at myself here, I didn't wet the brush or anything. I just used my finger and then I just went in with my small shadow brush here. So that was really great. I was having a little bit of issue when I was putting down this Told You right here, and then I was trying to put this on top. Like these are pressed pigments. I can't explain that enough. Like if you put this down, that's where it's staying, right? Yes, you can blend out the edges, but it's not like with other eyeshadow, you can just take it and blend it over like the rest of your face. It's gonna blend where you put it, and it's gonna stay vibrant where you put it. You have to go in very light-handed. So I think maybe that was my problem. So 100%, as I was going through it, as you're watching like the fast forward of me doing it, if you're like, no, Donna, you had no problems doing it. No, I did. I cut things out, but I was like, can I salvage this? And I did. But again, it's all on me getting used to new palette formulation and new brushes. So now for the giveaway details. So I have 2 other palettes right here that I have not opened and I'm not going to. And I am going to make sure that they stay in the little bubble wrap and I will put them aside and I won't touch them for like 3 days. And then when I ship them, so that when you receive them, you know that everything is safe. I am shipping worldwide. So anywhere it needs to go, I will send it there as safely as possible. So that way your items are fine when you receive them. Now the details to enter this giveaway are pretty simple. You have to 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, leave a comment down below with your IG handle. Number 3, follow me on Instagram. And leave a comment on the picture right here. I got the inspiration for that from Robert Welsh. That's how he did his giveaway for like this palette as well. And I was like, you know what? That's a really good thing. I know it's 4 things, but just subscribe, leave a comment with your IG, follow me on IG so I can DM you if you're the winner, and I pick them at random. And make sure to comment on the picture that I just showed you. So all in all, I would recommend this. It was really nice, and I haven't even gotten into the colorful part of it yet here. And if the neutrals are any indication, this is going to be wild to go into. But you know what? That's really great practice. So can't wait to try that. So anyways, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. And again, a big congratulations to RawBeautyKristi for this collection that she has. It's fantastic, and it couldn't go to a more deserving person because she's awesome and just so much fun to watch. She swears a lot. It's great. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. YouTube should be recommending you a video from me right about now. I have a lot of other makeup reviews, unboxings, and makeup collection videos that I know you're just going to love to watch. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, everyone.